the state road we live on here, they came and trimmed these trees, but they left all the log-sized logs for us, so we got to get them moved down there. But there's some really pretty cool wood here. I don't know all the different kinds. I never really checked it out what was down here. I know there was some hickory down here. I don't know what this is. It's got a dark inside, but I don't think it's walnut. But it's pretty looking. You can see the dark center. Yeah, so we gotta get these down there. These are nice. A couple of these are big. This is a big log right here. That is a real log. Can't wait to get the sawmill here. Got a couple more months still, but be here before you know it. And this is gonna be great. So that's wicked fun. Glad we got all these logs down here. It was a busy couple hours this evening after work, but also glad Grandpa was able to save them from the landfill. They're couple really good logs and a whole bunch of pretty good logs and a couple that aren't even really logs, but they left them, so they're in this pile now. And hopefully the sawmill will be here next month for all of our big projects. We still got plans to build more cabins, garages, houses, you know, I don't know. We do a lot of things here, so whatever the next project is. This is the pile of logs from building my house and all the other trees we've cut down over the last couple of years. I think most of them aren't completely rotten, so can't wait to sawmill them all up. We're gonna move them out to the field. I think that's where we're gonna do most of the sawmilling, so gotta load them up in the truck. It's like quite a few trips here, but that's all right. Well, that's really a good project done to get these out of here. So I would say at least more than half of those were no good, which was kind of expected. I mean, they've been here now for 5 years in the woods. Most of it was pine. There's some cherry in there. Those logs were good. There was a really big oak log. That one was good. And then there was quite a bit of maple that was good. And there was some poplar-ish trees. I don't know what kind of trees they were that we just cut down a year ago. And those ones are still good, obviously. So there's still quite a bit. There's really quite a pile out there in the field, so we got plenty of things to sawmill. And there is, like, on my property, there's 3 standing dead hemlocks, and there's a whole bunch of hemlocks that just fell down in the last couple of years that are still just fine, though. Gotta go get those picked up, but looking good. I got all the logs moved down here to the field. So, like I said, the sawmill's supposed to be here hopefully next month, and we got a pretty good pile of logs here. And there's still a whole bunch more that are in the woods that I have to gather eventually, but there's an entire year of probably sawmilling right here. But it's good they're all in one place where we're gonna do all the cutting and stuff, so should be good. Thanks for watching. See you next Friday, and subscribe because I have new videos every week and they're kind of good sometimes.